So we got our coveralls on. About to go hook up a heater for the horses, smoking a little bit that Cherry Garcia. Stay continued. It's gonna get a little sticky out here. He just got another job. How you doing out here, Bubba? It's cold. It's only like 18, 19 degrees right now here in Skiatook. So it's been sleeting bad. I look like a moron with this. But we're about to go take care of the horses. Just plugged in the heater for the horses. That way, you know, it'll warm up the water and stay warm, not melt. I mean, not freeze. What we're doing right now is getting some hot water for the dogs because it's freezing out. That way it'll melt it in there.